Hey guys, today we're going to the beach. Let's go! Let's go! Beach. C, D, E, F, G, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing this? मेरी पीली है, साथी चूट काली है, आँखें कैसे कीली है, कुछ कुछ नीली नीली है, बेस्ट मैंने चाहती है, बेस्ट में मेरे पास लाओ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये सब कहती है म्याऊ म्याऊ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, पास से रेस हो जाती है। 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 18.
So many birds flying on the beach. But first I went for a swim. I was making a sandcastle. I tried jumping over the waves. It was so fun. And then I was like digging and Irsa helped me. So I dig with the spoon. So I now use the regular shovel when it is so big. And when I was done, I went to get some water and then I came back with some water. Now I had to pat it upside down like that. I had to pat it, but when I lift it up, the castle it wasn't coming. We were enjoying the view of the beach.
For here and for one. Almost done now. Sounds done. It makes wow. Wow.
Okay, where's number 4?
Good baby, you found it. Where's number 0?
was trying the next slide, the blue slide again, I fell and fainted on the sand. It was so cool. Then I pat, crack on the drums. Actually, then I spin the spinner. It's so cool. I made music. So I was trying to climb me thing again. Then Irsa slide down the elephant slide. So then I tried the wiggly woggly slide. Whoa! When I looked in the telescope, I saw the sea, but I saw a new world. So I think that was Dubai city that I saw from the telescope, because Dubai might be near. Subscribe and like.